Hello, this is my RGBY keycaps unboxing. I bought it 170 pesos, roughly 3 to 4 bucks, and it's PBT keycap, so it has a better texture and feels more premium than the ABS that comes with the RK61, and it looks sick. Here is it. Yeah, here's a sound test of it. I'm sorry if the montage looks so cringe. Oh, by the way, there are three options of it. The two options are with engraving with the font, and one is without. I picked without because it looks more cleaner. And this is compatible with GK61 and other 60% keyboard like the Ant Pro and Ducky 12 Mini. And it's very cheap. And also, please watch my upcoming vids spray lubing my RK61. And please subscribe. Let's make it 100 subs. Please. Okay, goodbye.